Paul here from EMD. Today we've done a major service major service on this Porsche Macan. We've done the brake fluid change, we've done all the filters, fuel filter. Just want to have a quick look underneath the car here. The most important one we saw was the actual oil leaks from the actual diff flange seal on the rear left hand side. That one there. Underneath the car is fine. And someone have done the brakes on this car here. We done the actual brake fluid flush, torqued it up to 10 newton meters here, but we had to actually always wash this here, nice and clean. If you look at the rear, it's very dirty both sides, nice and clean. The calipers nice and clean. The brake calipers here, nice and clean as well. But the actual someone done the brakes on this car before and they didn't put the correct sensor, and it's the wrong one, so they just that side here is supposed to go in that side there. Actually this is the correct one, but sorry, this is the correct one. I just looked at it, I just saw it now. This is the correct sensor, but they put it the wrong way, so this one's supposed to be there first and then that one second. But anyway, this brake disc is low anyway. Brake disc needs to be changed. If you look on this side here, I'll show you much easier. See how the actual sensor is already touching the disc right there. So this car needs a front brake disc, and front brake disc and front brake pads and brake disc. So to be replaced on this car here. But there's nothing else I can see on the car that needs to be done. It's pretty clean underneath here. Really clean underneath here on the car, except what I said before here, the front disc, front pads. Tomorrow the actual filter will come, so we'll do the gearbox filter tomorrow. It's part of the major service. So we're doing and then I'm gonna actually talk to the customer. The actual louver fans. So this one here, they open up and they open and close depending on the DME signals. This part here, inside here, that's why they're noisy. So it needs a new one of those. Cannot be. I try to calibrate it, doesn't work at all. And then just a quick video here. So pretty much it's to show the video to the customer what they need to be done and what we found on the car. But at the moment we're gonna contact him for just the front disc, front pads, and I need to look at get a quote from Porsche for the noise from the actual flaps on the radiator. They call it radiator louvers or radiator flaps in front of here, and then we'll go from there. But pretty much everything else done on top here. We're just waiting on the belt, drive belt, and a few other stuff to get fitted tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.